Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul and we are continuing to expand on our resistance band playlist. Today we are working only on the chest. So we have 3 different exercises. Okay, I'm lying. 4 exercises. The last one is going to be a little bit of triceps because you work on the chest, those triceps get activated, you might as well finish them off. But we have 3 chest exercises, 1 tricep exercise. All in all, 1, 2, 3, 10 sets altogether, should go by pretty quickly. However, we are trying to use heavy resistance bands because we're trying to really focus on the chest and build some strength. So we're starting off with some standing chest presses. I'm using the green resistance band, which is the most resistance there is. We're just gonna stand up, 3 sets, nice and easy. It's basically a press, but it's what the advantages of being a floor press, your elbows can go back, so you get more a range of motion. This being a resistance band, right now there's not a lot of resistance as we're starting off, but there's gonna be a lot more in the finishing of movement. So you guys ready to go? We're doing 3 sets, as many repetitions as we can per set. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and push. Nice and easy. Come on with me. Nice full stretch. Keep going. No reason to rush this. Keep it up. Got 5 more in me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. Wow, that felt pretty good. No real set time for your breaks. Normally, when I work out with about this amount of effort, I take about a minute between sets, give or take a few seconds. If I'm lifting really heavy, doing, let's say, heavy deadlifts or heavy squats, I take maybe 2 to 4 minutes of break. But for these type of workouts, where you're not maxing out completely, or you're not using really heavy weight, because we did 12, 15 repetitions, a minute is sufficient. So we got 1 set done. We're about 30 seconds without a rest. We'll take a few more seconds. We'll go for set number 2. I like twisting these bands when I put them behind my back. I notice they slip a little bit less. It's completely up to you. Of course, you also don't have to use a green band. And if you're stronger, you can combine the green band with any other band that you have. Green works for me very nicely for this exercise. Let's get going with set number 2. You guys ready to follow along? Nice and upright posture. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Push. Push all the way back and push out. Squeeze all the way at the top. Keep going, come on, work with me. Chest today. Keep it up. I got 3 more. 1. Nice and slow. And last 1. And 3. Oh yeah. That feels pretty good today. That's what I gotta say. 1 more set of this exercise and we're gonna move down to the floor for more presses. That one is gonna be a hip elevated chest press, so work a little bit of the lower chest. A little bit different exercise than this one is. Hey, how you guys doing today? We don't do often when we isolate just the body part. But like I said, I'm trying to expand on this resistance band playlist. There's about 35 or so videos. So we're gonna hit a body part per video over the next few videos. So if you wanna come by, do subscribe, do leave a like and a comment below. And these short workouts you can put together into a nice full body resistance band workout, or you can mix and match it however works for you and your schedule. Because you know what, everybody's at a different time slot. God knows when we have time for. So we do the best that we can. That's why I cannot just say, hey, you must do this twice a week or blah, 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 you'll fail. Everybody's different. Some people have 10 minutes a day. So then you do a 10-minute full body workout. That's how it is. You guys ready to go for set number 3? 1, 2, 3, and push. And push. Good posture. Boom, squeeze it up. Squeeze it on top, nice and slow. Good time under tension. Keep going. Keep going, come on with me. Keep it up. I got 3 more. Ready? 1, squeeze. 2, and squeeze. 3, and squeeze. Whew. That one hurt. That one hurt, I gotta say. And with the resistance band, when your arm is almost straight, that's when you're using most tricep, and that's when you have the most resistance. This is a very effective tricep workout also. All right, exercise number 1 done. Am I gonna need this again? I don't think so, so I'm gonna throw that on the side over here. Exercise number 2 is gonna be a laying down, hip elevated chest press. The preview should be on the screen right now. Check that out, and let's get our butts on the ground. Try not to take too much time away from you today. We're just working on the chest. On this one, I want to keep the one arm static while the other arm is working. You guys ready to go? We're going for 3 sets. 3, 2, 1, both arms up. And then keep one static and just work one side. And then lift those hips up. There we go, squeeze it up. Squeeze it up. 7, 8, 9, 10, and switch arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep those hips up. 6, 7. Full range of motion. 8, 9. Last one. And 10. And relax. Oh, I'm just gonna stay seated right here. A lot of times I get up, I just don't feel like it today. If you want to get up and walk around a little bit, it's a great way to rest. Circulates the blood a little bit better, lets you breathe easier. A lot of people will have a tendency to flop down when you're tired, especially if you're running or something, some kind of hard cardio, you have a tendency to just kind of lay down on the ground. It's actually, you recover better when you're standing up. Kind of counterintuitive, but just how the body works. All right, that was set number 1. We got 2 more sets, same exercise, same pattern. Up, down, hips up. You guys ready to go? Both arms up, and let's pump out. I'm doing about 10 on each side. 2, 3, full range of motion. The elbow comes all the way down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 more, and squeeze it up for 10, and down. Boy, my hips were not very high on that one. I'm going to do a little more effort on this last final set to get those hips up a little bit higher. Build more of an angle. As a bonus, you also work your glutes and your hamstrings, right? A little bit of isometric work, get those tendons stronger. Why not? Why not combine the two if you can? We have a little tiny, only short period of time. All right, I know I'm kind of rushing through this a little bit, but after the first tough exercise, this one is a little bit different for me, a little bit easier. Let's take a few more seconds, however, catch our breaths, let those muscles recover so we can hit those at least 10 repetitions for this last and final set. All right, on the ground, here we go. Ready? Final set. Off the hip, elevated chest press, both arms up. Make sure you get nice, good range of motion all the way down and up. You already are the floor is protecting your chest. So go all the way down to the floor and up. I'll give you 4 more. 1, squeeze, 3, and 4, and switch sides. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze those glutes also. 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. All right, and we are done with that. And I believe I am done with this bend. And I don't think I'm gonna be using a black band for anything. I tried this exercise with a black band, it was a little difficult, so I am done with that one too. I'm down to the red, the easiest resistance. So by the way, if you wanna pick up a set of these bands, the link is gonna be in the description below. I haven't said that, I'm just saying that I'm gonna pick up a set myself. I haven't done it yet. I wanna try to do it today because these are getting a little worn out, and another set just in case one of these slaps me in the face like it's done before, I can replace it. All right, now we're gonna do some cross chest flies. So you have to choke up on this bend a little bit, spread your legs out a little bit, and you're just gonna bring it across your chest. Just like that, that's all there is to it. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, bring it across. 2, 3, 4. Not sure I'm counting. I'm going for max repetitions here. We're just doing 2 sets of this exercise, just kind of burn out. Keep it up. I got one more good one, and I'm gonna stop right there. I'm gonna switch sides, switch arms, and let's go. Keep it up. Bring that arm across, spread those legs out a little bit, get a little more resistance, a little more range of motion. 3 more, 1, 2, 1 more, and 3. All right, 1 more set. This is our burnout set. Let's take a little shorter break this time, and then we'll jump right in for the last and final set. My chest is feeling pretty good. How are you guys doing? I'm getting a pretty good pump. I know they say, it doesn't really make a difference if you feel a pump or not, so if you're getting stronger or whatever, but it still feels damn good, doesn't it? Feels good to me, at least. Anyway, last set. Choke up on that bend a little bit, and get ready to roll. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Well, I choked up a little bit too much. Here we go. 1, come on, squeeze, come across. Keep it up. Got 5 more on this side. 1, nice and slow. 2, 3, 2 more. 1 and 2, and switch sides for the last and final time for the chest. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3. I gotta choke up a little more, not getting enough resistance. That's okay if you guys stop in the middle. There we go. 1, 2, 3. I got 5 more. Ready? 1, squeeze up. 2, 3, 2 more. 1 and last 1 and 2. Woo! And as I promised, we're gonna finish off with a tricep exercise. Chest hits a lot of triceps, that's you pushing, right? So let's finish off with just 2 sets. And I'm gonna tie this off right here. So I'm gonna be out of camera view for 1 second. And we're gonna do some kickbacks. Now I see a lot of people at the gym doing kickbacks with dumbbells, which is okay. The issue with a dumbbell is right here, there is no resistance. So if you're not using the cable press or a band, there's no resistance. You only get resistance once it hits about here, right? This is the difficult part, and there's nothing going on here. That doesn't happen with bands. Like I said, with bands and cables, you stand back here. I'm already pulling on this band. There's already resistance here and just increases. So that's what we're doing. 2 sets, 1 side. We're gonna do 1 side and the other side, then we're gonna take a break. Ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Then keep that elbow parallel to the ground and just kick back. 1. Doesn't make a difference how many you count. You go to just about failure. That's the point here, right? And this gets difficult, at least for me, relatively quickly. Got 5 more on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And switch sides. You guys ready? 1, 2, 1. Come on. Just to burn out those triceps completely. We're done with the chest work. We're doing the auxiliary movement. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, I'm gonna put this up here. 1 more set, guys. That's all we got. 1 more set, and we are gonna be done. Relatively shorter workout. Like I said, you can break these up however you want to, but I am going to continue putting together this playlist for resistance bands. So today we did chest. Next time maybe we'll do back, then we'll do shoulders, legs, and so forth and so forth. So you get a nice full body workout. Then you can combine these however you want, or you can just break them up. And then we're gonna get back to full body workouts. But yes, I do wanna put together a nice list of resistance band workouts. Right now, like I mentioned before, about 35 videos or so. I want to keep on building it up to about 50, maybe 60, just resistance band workouts. So that's what you should expect coming up over the next few weeks. And by the way, workouts do come out every Monday and Thursday. Never missed an upload. So it's going to be a few months of resistance bands work. You guys ready to go? Second set. Tension on that bend. Bend over, lock everything in, elbow up, and pull. Keep it up. It burns pretty bad already. Got 5 more. 1, 2, keep it up. 3, let's go. 4 and 5. All right, last set. Switch arms and let's go. 1, keep that elbow high. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wow, and that does it. Yes, I am going to feel these. If not today, then definitely tomorrow. Usually it takes a day or two. When you start recovering, that's when you start feeling the pain. Guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. This was our chest resistance band workout. Workouts coming every Monday and every Thursday. My name is Paul. This is going to be a Thursday workout. Make sure you come back on Monday. You guys have a wonderful weekend after this workout, and I'll see you then. Talk to you later. Bye.